The diagram below depicts the current induced in a coil as a result of the relative motion between it and a bar magnet. Stop. Which of the diagrams illustrates the direction of the induced current? Look at option A. Very well. The direction of an induced current. Look at option B. Look at option C. And look at option D. See the question again. The diagram below depicts the current induced in a coil as a result of relative motion between it and a bar magnet. Which of the diagram illustrates the direction of the induced current? The answer is B. The answer is D. Now, observe the direction of the current. We acknowledge that each has north and south pole. Is that correct? Good. Now, A and B is off. We should be considering C and D. Because these ones are showing direction beneath the bar magnet. But the question said the diagram below depicts the current induced. We are looking at the current induced in a coil as a result of relative motion between it and a bar magnet. Between it and a bar magnet. Which of the diagram illustrates the direction of the induced current? Now, this is the flow of the current. Current flows here, it moves this direction. But they said induced. That is something coming in something. Is that correct? Now, it is coming this way, and the arrow should be beneath, or should I say under the flow of the current, not under the bar magnet. Did you understand? Yes. So now it is moving this direction. Is it clockwise or anti-clockwise? Do you understand? So look at the direction of the flow of the current. This current flows like this. So if this one goes this way, it will eventually come this way. And they said, which of the diagram illustrates the direction of the induced current? This is the one showing the flow of the current. Look at the bar magnet. So, and they say it is between in a coil, the current induced in a coil as a result of the relative motion between it, that is between the current and a bar magnet. Did you understand? Between a current and a bar magnet. So this is a perfect example of a diagram that depicts the illustration of the statement written on the board. Did you understand? Yeah? So D is the correct answer. The reason is not something I should be writing on the board. It's something I need to explain verbally. Do you understand? So that is the final answer.